Ontario PNP. Top 5 mistakes that you can avoid. Not doing enough research. Ontario PNP streams have different rules. Some need job offers, others don't. Always check eligibility before applying, or it could lead to instant rejection. Incomplete or inaccurate documents. Missing forms or wrong documents can lead to instant denial. Always double check everything before submitting. Misrepresenting experience or qualifications. Never lie about your education or job history. Misrepresentation can equal to a 5-year ban or worse. Weak ties to Ontario. Show strong ties to Ontario, job, education, or family. No real connection can equal to low chances of success. Poor communication. Don't miss emails or deadlines. Your application could be closed. Always respond quickly to immigration officials. Contact Kozmo Immigrations today to book your free 15-minute consultation.